Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can speed up your gaming speed. This method requires no software, no Wi-Fi, no anything, so it's simple. Just simply start by opening Run. Then type in %tempo. And then %, so after click OK. And as you can we have so many files, all these files you see here, are the files that you have recently opened. In other words, this slows down your computer and takes too much space from your computer, so select them all and delete them. Now that most of your junk files has been deleted, simply come and click on the battery icon. Then after increase your battery to high performance. So now if you game you will see that your computer's speed has topped up. So thanks for watching, and if you are new make sure you subscribe.